Hey, I'm Denis, welcome back to my channel DMaker. Today I'm launching a new series called Hacks and Tricks. Instead of normal project videos, this series will feature shorter videos covering some tips, tricks and hacks that I find useful and that most of the times are not explained in the main videos. This first video is about how to dismantle a pellet using simple tools, trying to damage as little wood as possible. Stay tuned! For this task, you will only need simple tools that are readily available, like a bench vise, a crowbar, a sledgehammer, a claw hammer and a pair of gloves. The first thing to do is inserting the hook part of the crowbar between the wood blocks and the top boards and hit with the sledgehammer. Before trying to remove this side, go to the next blocks and do the same thing. Continue the process until the board with the blocks comes loose. After opening the vise to the width of the blocks, insert one end block and tighten the vise. Then start moving the board alternately up and down and to the sides if necessary until it separates the nails from the block. Do the exact same procedure for the other two blocks. In order to remove the nails from the board, use the wood blocks as spacers and hit the nails with a hammer. Then remove the nails on the other side with a claw hammer or, even better, using the crowbar. Next, repeat the same procedures for the other two boards, being careful not to step on the nails that are sticking out. The next thing to do is to remove the nails that were holding the blocks. For this, use the same blocks and put them underneath the pellet to act as spacers. Then it's time to use again the sledgehammer to hit the nails out. Sometimes it might be necessary to use a pair of pliers to straighten the nails a little bit. After hitting all the nails with a sledgehammer, turn the pellet upside down and use the crowbar to remove all the nails. Be careful not to get hit by a nail, because some nails seem to enjoy flying away. Then comes the hardest part, which is separating the boards. This has to be done carefully because most of the time the nails are not straight and the risk of breaking a board is higher. It will be easier if you try to separate one of the lower boards at a time. The last part is to remove all the sticking nails from the boards, and for this the same procedure is followed using the sledgehammer and the crowbar. In the end, we get 3 different types of boards, wood blocks and a bunch of old nails. I hope you found this video useful. Leave me your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can build it.